Welcome to Kids Education Channel. A bright sunny day, birds flying in a dry forest. It was a hot summer day, and the birds were so thirsty. No water anywhere. What do we do? I can't fly anymore. Pico, look, a pot with water. All birds rush over, but water is too low. Oh no, we can't reach it. Pico, wait, I have an idea. Pico picks up small stones and drops them in the pot. Other birds join in. Drop by drop, stone by stone, the water rose. Water reaches the top. Birds drink happily. Yay, we did it. When we work together, we can solve any problem. Teamwork makes everything possible.